Alright, I'm having bad luck trying to make this video 18.1 for geometry, but let me tell you something, it is going to happen. Alright, this is going to be finding sides of a triangle given like algebraic expressions. Hey, if you're a fan of algebra and not geometry, I got good news for you. Basically, really all you're doing here is just Algebra 1, okay? There's going to be a picture in this case. And it's going to tell you what sides are congruent to who. So all you got to do is read and just watch. It's very simple. All right, triangle WXY is isosceles. Remember, isosceles means at least two sides are the same length or congruent. Look, they tell you WX. All right, here's WX. WX is congruent to XY. So I would get in the habit of just marking that like that. All right, so you know they're congruent. Find X. Well, look, this expression has an X in it. This expression has an X in it. So you can go ahead and set them equal to each other. 6x minus 77 equals 3x plus 4. All right, if you have X's on both sides, you're going to subtract them. All right, because you're just trying to get all the X's together. All right, this is 3x minus 77 equals 4. You got your classic two-stepper going on. You're going to add $77 to both sides. Boy, you're getting rich. Now you've got $81. You're going to divide by 3, and now you get x equals 27. So again, you just had to know that these two sides, they're going to tell you, okay, says the expression's equal, and then just do your algebra. Now, don't get all hyper and excited like I do. They want x, but they also want the measure of all of the sides. So what you have to do next is you're going to look at the sides, grab those expressions, and just substitute in 27. So I'm going to start with this bottom one here. The bottom one is 5 times whatever we got minus 31. Okay? So take your 27 and plug it in. Okay? Make sure you multiply first. All right? So 27 times 5. Someone always beats me. All right, is there anyone out there going to beat me? I heard 135, so 135 minus 31, and then you get the winner of 104. And that's for this bottom side right here. What's that? Oh yeah, technically we only have to do one of these because we know they're congruent. Good, so let's pick the easier one. Let's pick 3 times whatever you got plus 4. Plug in your 27. 3 times 27 is what? 81. 81 plus 4 is 85. I'm going to put 85 here. Okay. Let me circle these answers, and then I'll put 85 here because we know that those two sides are equal. What's that? I have doubters out there. Oh Lord. Okay, fine. So if you just want to make sure you're right, grab that other expression. All right, we'll plug in the 27 again, and we'll see if it really works. So here we go, 6 times 27, and then you're going to subtract the 77, and look at that baby, 85, okay? All right, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. This is something you can definitely do. Let me move that over where you can see all three. All right, we're kind of good? Okay, so let's try one more. Since we're having so much fun, we got to try one more. I have it here somewhere. And here's what I like about math. Really, you're just doing the same thing. They're just making it maybe a little step more difficult, okay? So, I don't know, let's pick 8. I've always liked the number 8, okay? I will set this up beautifully for you. All right, yeah, look, it's the same question, okay, except there's no picture. So don't get turned off because you see these words, okay? All we're going to do is draw an example. Okay, so triangle MKL. So here we go, just draw a triangle. So that's the only thing different. And if you're worried about your drawing, don't, because when you see my drawings, oh Lord. All right, so there's MKL. It's isosceles with MK. So here's MK, mark it with one hash mark, is congruent to ML. Okay, so now you know which two sides are congruent. Then they give you expressions. Look, MK is 7x minus 15. Okay? KL is 4x minus 5, and ML is 10x minus 42. So what you notice really is labeling is the most important thing, and you'll see I'll repeat myself. Look, I'll go let me just double check. MK was congruent to ML, I did that. MK is 7x minus 15. KL was the loner, 4x minus 5. ML, yeah, the hardest part is just really making sure you label everything right. So either way, it's the same type of question. You're going to grab 7x minus 15, right, and set it equal to 10x minus 42. Subtract 10x from both sides. You're going to get what? Negative 3x minus 15 equals negative 42. You're going to add 15 to both sides. All right, negative 3x. All right, who's quick? There's always someone quicker than me. All right, here we go. 15 minus 42. You guys get the winner of negative 27. Awesome. And then divide by negative 3 and you get x equals 9. Let me circle that for a second. Oh, please tell me we're done. Are we done? What do they want? They want x, and then they also want all the sides. Okay, well, we got this, right? What do we do once we get x is 9? Remember, we just do substitution. So I'm just going to start with, they all look about the same. Let's just start with a 4x minus 5. So 4 times your answer minus 5 is one of them. 7 times your answer minus 15 is second one. And then 10 times your answer minus 42 is your third one. And I need to make sure you guys can see this. Beautiful. All right, so let's plug in your $9. $9. If you want to try to beat me at this, that's fine. All right, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 5 is 31. All right, 7 times 9 is 63 minus 15. So what is that? 63, 53, 48. All right, y'all double check my math. Make sure I'm doing good there. I hate when I screw y'all up. And then finally, what's that? Yeah, this one should be the same, right? So 90 minus 42, and then you get your 48. All right, let me make sure we can see all this. And if you're realizing that this is Algebra 1, that's what I want to hear, because really that's all it is. All right, this was video 18.1, geometry. Very, very, very good to see y'all. Okay, so this, but that is fantastico. Yes, oh my God. That is absolutely what I needed to do. Trash, trash, trash. We're gonna do one more. Oh, no, those have got to go back. Yeah, these have got to go back into the answer key. Okay. So you got your 53, your 54, and you're going to go into your answer key and do 53 and 54. Oh yeah, no. Do I know we got work to do today? There's just no doubt about that. Okay, I'm just going to make sure the video's in there.